Hello there. So you want to know how you can set up Google Authenticator for Gmail setup. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using, and then just go to account.google.com. Make sure that you're already logged in into your account. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your security. So it's going to be right up here. Once you're on your security, what you want to do is simply over here, you want to simply go ahead and tap on Authenticator down over here on recovery. Finally, once you've done that, it's going to say it's going to verify you. So let it go ahead and do so. And finally, once you have done that, it's going to simply go ahead and tell you to set up an authenticator. Simply tap on plus. And as you can see, there is going to be this Google scanner right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and scan this on your Google Authenticator. So let me just go ahead and do that. Make sure you scan it from another device, and then simply go ahead and enter your code, 6-digit code that you see on your application here, and click on verify, and it will be set up. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see